Being an automotive journalist, our job basically revolves around riding motorcycles of all kinds and not to forget, driving some exotic set of wheels as well. Now, I know it might sound a little too glamorous to you guys, and to some extent it is indeed glamorous, but our job also requires us to shoot the automotive action the way it is meant to be captured, and that is when action cameras come into the picture. They not only capture the automotive content the way it is meant to be captured, and that is raw action, but their durability as well as versatility, they also play a crucial role in our sort of lifestyle. And that brings us to the latest set of equipment that we have received from DJI, including the Osmo 4 action camera. But it is not just the Osmo 4 action camera that we have received from DJI, but a bunch of other accessories as well, including the action biking accessory kit, your adventure combo, a set of DJI mics, and a remote controller as well. In this video, we'll be telling you all about the Osmo Action 4 and all the accessories that you see on your screen right now. This is Anand Pandey, you're watching Exhibit Magazine, and stay with us during the course of this video if you wish to know all about this particular action camera. The first impressions? Well, the Osmo Action 4, it justifies being a rugged action camera because it feels and looks pretty great and pretty rugged while in hand, and the initial first experience dictates that it is not only going to take some serious beating, but it also looks like a potent camera setup. And it also gets this protective frame, which is a part of the adventure combo that we have received from DJI as well, and it is going to assist in its longevity as well. And since you have an action camera, you're not going to bind your adventures to just the land alone. You're going to take it underwater as well, and good thing for us, the DJI Osmo Action 4, it is waterproof till 18 meters. How freaking cool is that? Or how freaking wet is that? Let's get a little technical, shall we? So, the DJI Osmo Action 4 gets a 1x1.3-inch sensor for stunning low-light imaging, and it also guarantees clean footages with very less noise. What also aids in this is the built-in color temperature sensor, 10-bit and D-Log amp color performance. While it may sound a lot technical, but in simpler terms, all this assists in getting the colors vibrant but accurate, which helps us a lot in capturing the right color of the vehicle that we are shooting. The Osmo is capable of shooting 4K videos in 120 frames per second, and it also gets a 155-degree ultra-wide angle. Since we capture a lot of action, an action camera is only good if it eliminates all the shakes, because when you're, say, off-roading, you need a stable footage to capture whatever that is happening, and that is where the Osmo Action 4 kills it. With its 360-degree horizon steady and rock steady 3.0 integrations inside the camera. This thing can shoot in temperatures as low as -20 degrees and temperatures as high as 45 degrees. And we are seeing 45-degree temperatures around in this part of the world during the heat waves and stuff. So the Osmo Action 4, it is not going to die on you. Now, what also assists in you shooting outdoors is the 160 minutes of battery life that we have tested as well. And during particular shoots, one battery of the Osmo Action 4 suffices during the entire day, as it lasts 160 minutes. If that doesn't impress you, I know of something which definitely will, and according to me, it is one of the best features of the DJI Osmo Action 4, the magnetic quick release. So to mount and unmount the Action 4, it is an absolute breeze. All you need to do is just press these hooks here and pull it off. There's some magnet here and there's a magnet here as well. So it makes mounting and unmounting the Action 4 an absolutely easy task. And you can also mount the DJI Osmo Action 4 in a vertical way to shoot some content for your social media. So it basically eliminates all the post-editing hassles of cutting down the video to make the video fit according to the Instagram aspect ratio. And it is not just the Osmo Action 4 that we received from DJI to enable us on our shoots, but a bunch of really cool accessory kits as well. Now, the very first one is the Adventure Combo, which includes your Osmo Action 4 action camera itself, the protective casing that we have already shown you guys, an extension rod. While trekking or while doing other stuff, you can just use this while you're outdoor excursions, and a really cool battery case. So it not only charges all the 3 batteries that you can put inside the Osmo Action 4, but it also doubles up as a power bank to charge your mobile phones. Pretty cool, right? And next one is the Action Biking Accessory Kit from DJI, which basically includes your chest mount as well as a very versatile clamp setup that can be mounted on either your handlebar or your rear foot pegs. Now, apart from these two kits, we also have a remote controller, which basically eliminates the hassle of pressing the button and running to be in the frame. So with this remote controller, all you need to do is just press this button while you're already in the frame. So no need to just walking up to your camera, pressing the button, going to the frame and starting your shoot. Just be in your frame, press this button over here, and your Osmo Action 4 will start recording. You might know DJI because of the drones that they make, because of the action cameras, but did you know that DJI also has a very potent setup of mics? Now, in my career as an automotive journalist, this is one of the most amazing mics that I've ever used because it cancels out all the background noise and offers pretty crisp audio quality as well. With its versatile nature, ease of use, ruggedness, and not to forget, brilliant potential in capturing all the action, the DJI Osmo Action 4 has become an integral part of all our shoots, and that should suffice in saying that we are indeed very impressed with this particular action camera. If you have any questions regarding the DJI Osmo Action 4, all the accessories that it comes with, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below.